At Matra, we've specialized in finger-jointed and laminated components for the siding industry, as well as solid and plated components for the door and window industry for over 20 years. Our state-of-the-art plant boasts equipment found nowhere else in North America for manufacturing quality that's second to none. Every step in the fabrication process is controlled internally and computerized, allowing us to standardize batches and minimize the chance of error. Add to that our rigorous, real-time production monitoring, and you get a supplier that truly manufactures to spec. Having a team dedicated to delivering high-quality products is the secret to our success and our reputation in the industry. We work closely with customers on product development and handle quality control on the floor, ensuring you get the components you need when you need them. No matter where they're located in North America, our customers know they can count on a team that pays attention to the details and delivers. Our goal is to take everything we do to the next level. Fiber recovery, startup time, order accuracy for both quality and quantity, production time. Matra is defined by its collaboration. Given its business volume, Matra collaborates closely with various suppliers in order to ensure a steady supply of wood resources and, in return, maximize its production. Its development. In addition to offering processed wood materials to its customers, Matra also actively participates in the technological development of assembled products through the components it manufactures. Its ability to excel. At Matra, each day brings a new set of challenges. To ensure performance at all levels, Matra depends on its dynamic and motivated team that is intent on achieving the company's elevated production standards. We're also dedicated to being responsible stewards of our natural resources, which is why we optimize the use of raw materials by converting wood scraps into wood pellets for heating and shavings for horse bedding. Convert the leftover wood generated by the primary raw material to fuel the dryers. Recover the water thanks to the installation of a wash water treatment station. Matra. Collaborate. Develop. Excel.